This is a switch from an old power supply, a computer power supply. And I need these two prongs, contacts or whatever. This one I don't need. And I have to take these wires off and put in a more flexible cable so I can run it to the lamp. I already took off the shrink wraps, or how you call it, heat shrinks. So let's see, do they want to come off? Oh, it's in the hole and it's twisted. Oh boy, I have to be careful not to melt the plastic. Oh boy, oh boy. Ah, it came a little. Let me pull in another direction. Reheat. Oh boy, it doesn't like it. But it's coming, it's coming. It will come. Oh, yes, finally. The others aren't twisted, so it should be more easy. Yes. Perfect. We have a new switch. So 1 and 2 is what I need. Let me put some solder on the new cable. Yes. And I won't put it in the holes. That is just creating problems. Just put it there on the side and heat. That's it. It will be much easier to take it off if I decide to use it for something else. So, will it reach? Yep. But I have to hold it somehow. Like that. And I will melt my fingers. Ah! Okay, that hurt. Yes, and the other end will go to the LED and the power cable. So let's see. One wire will need some insulation. I got a mouse cable here that has okay insulation for this job. A piece of, oh, that's not, it has a weird shape with the 4 wires. Does it fit? It doesn't fit, oh boy. Then that also doesn't fit. What is happening here? I will just use a piece of this. It's on insulation. Whatever. So let's clean it. Cut off the end. It's uneven. Okay. Solder. Wait, let's twist it a little. The strands are not staying together if you don't twist it. Okay. Yes, some more solder. The other one. Perfect. So, this is the switch. And here comes the power cable with the power plug. How long do I need? This will be fine. Like that. Okay. Like that. Solder. Perfect. So let's see. From the power cable, one will go to this big piece here, and the other one will go through the switch and in the other contact, like that. And I need to put insulation on the blue ones right here, like that, or something, and it will be like that. Probably. Yes, something like this. But I have to cut it shorter because I can't fit it. Like this. So I can still solder it. Like that. Perfect. Yeah, I have to glue it on or something. It's not very professional. But I'm not going to start it yet. I just put it together, then do some insulation wherever I think it's really necessary. I'll just solder it here. Like that. Oh, I didn't put solder on the bigger contact. Let's do that quickly. I'm running out of time with the video. Yes. And put it there. 40 seconds. Oh well. I don't know why they limit my time on this Android phone. Okay. Whoa, that's hot. So, here you go. The switch and the power plug connected to the lamp, and hopefully it will work.